Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a Subway Surfers hack or glitch or whatever you guys call it. Go to your settings, go to your date and time, date and time, set date and time. Go to October 6, 2012, that exact date, October 6, 2012. Next, go back, go to the application, go to Subway Surfers. As you can see, it's World Targeting. Okay, so let's wait here. I went back 1 year, all the way back to October 6, 2012. Okay, go to me. And as you can see, there's here Zombie Jake. Since I went back to October. Limited. Okay, if you guys want to see more of these hacks like this, and more special dates for special players, just subscribe and I'll be showing. Just comment on this video what person you want, but make sure you subscribe. Thanks.